Hello guys, welcome to my page. Wherever you're watching me from, whether YouTube, TikTok, and Reels. So I'll be teaching you on what AAB is and how you can install AAB files. So we all know about the APK files, which is the application package for Google Apps. Right now, Google have brought out a new file called AAB, which will soon outdate a popular APK. So what is this AAB file? AAB stands for Android App Bundle. This AAB files contains the entire program code of the Android app. That is, as soon as the development is complete, the developer will upload the app to Play Store in AAB format. Before it used to be in APK format, but now it has to be uploaded in AAB format. Then you, the user, will now download it to your smartphone from Google Play. So what's the difference between AAB and APK files? In AAB, we have what we call in-app resources. These are images, language files, and music. So when you install an app from Play Store, Google will send you an APK file that is tailored from the AAB file for your device with the necessary resources required. So if your smartphone has full HD plus resolution, then you will receive an APK without 4K materials. You understand? So any way your phone is configured, that's the type of app you receive when you download the app. So if your phone device is in English, Google won't send you an app that contains German or French applications or language package to help you to reduce the load. In other words, AAB files are lesser in size than APK. So I hope you understand. So now, how do you install an AAB file? Normally, all apps on Play Store are AAB files. Since August 2021, all developers were mandated to upload AAB files when uploading their app on Play Store. So, but if you come in contact with an AAB file, how do you install it? Because AAB files are not just like APK that once you have the raw file on your phone, your folder, you just click on it and it automatically installs. But AAB files won't just install like that. You need the help of AAB installer, an Android app bundle installer. So how do you get one? Just go to Play Store and search for any AAB file, AAB installer, and use. So you see different AAB installers and even converters. So, but for this tutorial, I'll be using this particular one. This particular one called Android App Installer is a universal installer. It has both AAB, APK, XAPK, APKM, and the rest. So follow me, let me show you how you're going to install your AAB files. Click on Select AAB to pick an AAB file from your folder. So you go to the folder where it is located and pick it up there. So I'm using an AAB file I downloaded, which I developed. So I want to install it manually now using AAB installer. So I've selected the app. You can see it has loaded. You can see the name app 7. Then it starts uploading. After uploading, it converts, the AAB installer converts it to APK, then download it back. So the downloading process is going on. It converts the AAB to the APK and download this back to the phone. After the downloading, it begins to install. I seen it. So the install process has started taking place. And installation complete. That is it. Thank you.